We will. Have we completed that chapter? Everyone? Yes, I think we have completed the chapter.
Yes, sir, completed.
Okay, so we
Yes,
will
sir.
starting with a new chapter today. So on very few students are joining today. Only 5 till now.
Sir, today we will start circles.
Yes, let me just find out the chapter that we will start today. Okay, let's start with circles only. Okay. Circles is chapter number 19.
Ma'am, today what we have to do?
We will start with a new chapter today. The name of the chapter is
Which?
Circles, chapter number 19.
Sir, circles.
Yes, chapter 19, Circles.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, we are just waiting for some more students to join. 1 more minute, let's wait, and then we will start with the chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please tell the chapter number.
19.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Okay, let's start. So the new chapter is circles. Have you ever studied about anything? Anything? Have you ever studied about circles? Anyone? कुछ पढ़ा है circles के बारे में? You must have drawn circles using compass. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Circles बनाए तो होंगे ही आपने using compass. You all have your geometry box. Do you all have
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So you got it with the kit, or you? अच्छा, this
Sir, we
year.
have got it with the kit. With the
Okay.
kit.
Last year, I think this year you got a kit from the school, or the last year you got a kit from the school?
Sir, this year only.
This year only. Okay, this year also
Yes,
it will
sir.
the kits were given. Okay. Acha, those the kits from the बुक शॉप, सरस्वती सदन आई थिंक, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the book set and you got everything, the stationery, those
Yes, sir.
geometry
Sir,
boxes.
all ticket was given.
Okay,
Sir, all the covers and all stuff was given.
very nice, very nice. So have you ever used a compass?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I have used certain drawings.
Okay, very nice. So anyone, can you define what is a circle? Would you like to define what is a circle?
The circle is a enclosed figure with no sides.
Enclosed figure with no sides. Very good. And that is true. Circle is an enclosed figure with no sides. Anything else? Any other specific definition of circles?
Sir, a circle is round.
Circle is round. Okay. And
It is like a sphere.
okay, it's like a sphere. Sphere is actually a 3D shape. Circle is a two-dimensional shape.
Sir, circle has no sides.
Circle has no sides. That is true. So we cannot compare a circle with a sphere. Sphere, when sphere is actually a 3D shape. Circle is a two-dimensional shape. 3D matlab three-dimensional.
Yes, yes.
2D matlab two-dimensional. So sphere, if you look at a sphere and make it a two-dimensional shape, then it will become a circle. That is true. So let me define you with a good definition of circle. Okay. Very good, unique definition of circle. Whatever you all have told me, that is also correct. Circle is a enclosed figure without any sides. Correct. So I will make a figure here which is enclosed, and that will also not have any side, any line segments. Line segments नहीं होंगे उसमें. Okay, so this is this a circle?
No, sir.
नहीं, why?
Sir, this is an oval. Sir, this is an oval.
नहीं, this is a circle. Why not? Why it is not a circle? Because uh, according to a definition told by a student, an enclosed figure. This is an enclosed figure without any sides. Is it? थोड़ा सा फंस गए, हाँ? It is an enclosed figure without any sides. Is it a circle? No, it is not a circle.
Sir,
Why
it's an oval.
It's an oval. It's not a circle. But this is also an enclosed figure without any sides. है नहीं ये बात? मेरी बात में दम है थोड़ा सा. दम तो है.
Yes, sir.
It is not a circle. So what is a circle? The proper definition of circle should be whatever you all told. That is true up to some extent. Up to some extent it is true. But मैं आपको एक proper बढ़िया सी definition देता हूँ. Okay. You take a point. Take one point, any point, and if you join all the points which are equidistant from this point, equidistant मतलब जिनकी distance इस point से सब जगह equal है. Equidistant का मतलब क्या हुआ? ऐसे points जिनकी distance इस point से equal है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं डिस्टेंस 5 सेंटीमीटर ले लेता हूँ, टेक दिस पॉइंट। अब इस पॉइंट से 5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पर एक पॉइंट ये हो सकता है। सपोज इफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पॉइंट्स इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, तो ऐसा ही और एक और पॉइंट ले लिया, अगेन द डिस्टेंस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर हियर, अनदर पॉइंट ले लेते हैं, again the distance is 5, again it is 5 5 5 5 centimeters. Everywhere the distance is 5 centimeters, okay, between this point and all these points. So all the points which are equidistant from a given point, all the points which are equidistant from a point, all the points which are equidistant from a point, if joined together, they form a
Circle.
Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. Getting.
So this is the definition of a circle. All the points which are equidistant from one given point form a circle. Okay. Clear? Understood or not?
Sir, understood.
Okay. So we all have understood what is a circle. वैसे पता भी है, शेप तो सभी को मालूम है, सर्कल इज इन दिस शेप, पर डेफिनेशन प्रॉपर वर्ड्स में आप लोगों को, बिकॉज यू आर स्मॉल किड्स, आप लोगों को अभी इतनी अच्छे से डेफिनेशन नहीं आती है. So everyone knows what is this shape of a circle. Can you give me a live example of a shape which is circular? Live example दे सकते हैं आप? Anyone? Think of a live example near you, and can you give me some examples of that?
Sir, I can tell one example.
Yes.
Sir, a button.
Sorry?
A
Sir, a
button.
plate. Sir, a plate. Sir, kitchen plates.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, button.
Sir, kitchen plates. Sir, coin.
Yes, buttons are.
Chapati.
Correct.
Sir, can I tell?
Okay, you write your answers in the chat box. Okay, write your answers in the chat box.
Sir, bangles.
Absolutely correct answer. Bangles.
Tire.
Sir,
Plate.
bottle cap. Bottle cap.
Have you all written your answer in the chat box?
Yes, sir. I have written.
Okay, some of you.
Sir, sir, we can tell one or sir many?
Many examples. You can give as many as you want.
Sir, I can tell.
Example. Football is actually a sphere. Football, when made in a 2D shape, that will be a circle. What else is circular? Bottle cap is okay. Buttons are okay. Buttons, you can call them as.
Sir, lotion box can be sir. Lotion. Sir, like Navya. Sir,
Bangles are the best.
Sir, chapati.
चपाती ओहो ये कहाँ से लाए कौन बच्चा लाए
Bottle cap. Sir, bottle cap.
कौन बच्चा
Sir,
लाया
Abhiyan.
चपाती
Sir,
एग्जाम्पल
Abhiyan.
very good Abhiyan very good chapati is also circular in shape. Yes.
Bottle cap.
Bottle cap.
Bottle cap.
Okay, bottle cap is actually
Wheel.
dimensional.
Sir, wheel.
Sir, a
Wheel is
plate.
circular in shape. Wheel also has a
plate.
correct plate.
Sir, a bowl. Sir, a bowl. Circular.
Bowl तो थोड़ा सा 3D shape हो गया. Okay. Okay, chalo, there are a lot of examples.
Sir, it's a semicircle.
Understand what is a circle.
Sir, our earth.
Now let us, very good. Now let us understand some terms which are related to a circle. Okay, so
Sir, sir, like that can be many planets.
And Abhiyan, are you traveling somewhere?
Yes, sir. He is coming Chandigarh to Bareilly. Sir, he has gone Chandigarh because.
Let him speak. Let him speak. Let Abhiyan speak. I want to talk. Abhiyan, are you traveling?
Yes, sir.
Are you traveling?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from where to where you are going?
Chandigarh to Bareilly.
Chandigarh to Bareilly. Okay, so you went to Chandigarh. Chandigarh is your, you belong to Chandigarh or what?
Sir, I belong to Chandigarh only.
Chandigarh only. Very good. Nice place, Chandigarh. It is my dream to go to Chandigarh one day.
Sir, what is the good thing in the Chandigarh? With us.
Okay. Next time when you go to Chandigarh, I will definitely come with you.
Of course. Of course.
Okay. So yeah, let us understand some terms related to circles, all of you. So first of all, let me tell you what is a semicircle. Semicircle, what is a semicircle? If I draw semicircle, I will tell you what is the diameter of a circle. Before telling you what is a semicircle, let me tell you what is the diameter of the circle. So here, there is a point known as the center of the circle. Generally, it is represented by O. The center of the circle, center तो समझ गए ना सब लोग? Center क्या होता है? The point which is equidistant from all the points on the circle. That is known as the center of the circle. It is generally represented by O. So any line segment which passes through the center and its line and its endpoints are lying on the circle. For example, AB. AB is a line segment which has its endpoints on the circle and it passes through the center of the circle. This is known as diameter of the circle. What is this?
Diameter.
Got it? This is known as diameter of the circle. Yes, any problem, anyone in this?
No, sir.
No,
No problem. Nice. So this is known as diameter. Now, what does a diameter do? A diameter divides the circle into half circles. Half circles are also known as semicircles.
Semicircles.
Yes. So semi is a word also used for half. Do you all know this?
Semi. Yes, sir.
So this is
Semi
one.
is used for half.
Sir.
Yes. So this is one
This
semicircle.
is semicircle.
Yes. So this is the first semicircle and this is the other one. So these both are semicircles. Okay. So semicircle, how a semicircle is formed? Can you tell me? Just now I told you how a semicircle is formed. When you draw
When we divide the circle.
a diameter divides the circle into. Very good. Abhiyan, you tell me the definition again. Abhiyan, what is a semicircle? How it is formed?
Sir, line segment crosses through the center of the circle, so it forms the semicircle.
Very good. A line segment which passes through the center of the circle. It divides the circle into two equal parts. It divides the circle into two equal parts, and each of the equal parts are known as semicircle. Okay. Correct definition. Abhiyan, good. Okay, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
So you all have understood two terms till now. First term is the diameter. Second term is the semicircle. Okay. And one more term was there, center of the circle. ये भी आपने समझ लिया. Three terms we have understood: center of the circle, diameter of the circle, and semicircle. So these three terms.
Sir, the diameters from all angles are equal. Sir, I want to tell.
The length of diameter is always equal. Can we draw only one diameter, or we can draw more than one diameters in a circle?
Sir, only one, sir, because it is the between of the circle.
So we can draw only one diameter.
Sir, but the lines of the diameter which connect to the last of the circle.
We can draw many diameters. So we can draw unlimited numbers of diameters.
Number of diameters. Very good. We can draw as many diameters as we want in a circle. Let me show how. Good, Aswa. So this is a circle, and this is its center. So this is one diagonal of the circle. This is the first one. I can draw as many diameters as I want. This is another diameter, PQ. Let me name it as PQ. Another diameter. So two diameters I have drawn it here. Can I draw another one? Yes. This is another diameter.
Yes, sir.
So all the line segments which pass through the center.
Yes, sir. The line segments can be so many, sir. Many. Sir, I was saying that only.
How many diameters I can draw? As many as I want. As many as you want, you can draw. Clear or not, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
These all are diameters of the
Yes, sir. Clear.
And now, what is half of a diameter? See, suppose if I draw this circle and wow.
For half circle, sir, will be left.
So this is the center of the circle, and this is a diameter. This is a diameter. This is the center. AB is the diameter. So if I draw only half of a diameter का half मैं बनाता हूँ यहाँ पर. Half I am going to erase from the board. So this is the diameter. If I draw only half of it,
sir, it will not be called a diameter.
So what is this now? Is it a diameter? No.
No, sir. Sir, because it is not, its other side is not on the edge of the circle.
Very good. So what this will be called now? This will be called as radius of the circle. This is
So what is chord?
Chord I will tell you. Just wait. After this, I will tell you what is a chord only. So this is a radius of the circle. So radius, can I say that radius is equal to half of diameter? Radius is half of a diameter.
Yes, sir.
Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I write like this? Radius
Yes,
is equal to, can I write like this? Radius is equal to half. This is half. 1/2 को क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as half. Half of diameter. So radius is equal to half of diameter. Can I say like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we say like
Yes, sir.
So if I tell you in a circle, the length of the diameter is 10 centimeters. Can you tell me what is the length of the radius?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Correct. What is the half of 10? 10 का half क्या होता है? It is 5.
5.
Sir, 5 centimeter it will be.
So you
10
divide it by
centimeter.
2. Whatever the diameter is, if you divide it by 2, you will get the length of radius. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can also write it like this. R is equal to D.
Sir, we have forgot, sir. We have been told all these things, and sir, we are remembering
Sir,
it
I
now, sir.
remember. Sir, I remember.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Sir, me
remember
too.
everything.
Sir, I am saying that only.
You were told these things in previous
Of course.
class also.
Yes, sir.
Because-
Sir, but we forgot.
Okay.
Sir, I remember everything. Sir, I
Okay.
remember.
Very nice. Very nice.
Sir, I remember chord.
You remember chord. Okay. So Abhiyan likes a chord. R is equal to D divided by 2. Can I write it like this or not? This is a very important relation. R is equal to D divided by 2, half of diameter. Okay. So whatever the diameter is, you divide it by 2, you will get the length of radius. If I ask you if the diameter of a circle is 20 centimeters, can you tell me what is the length of radius? Diameter is 20.
10 centimeter.
What is the length of radius?
10 centimeter.
Sir, 5 centimeter.
Sir, 10 centimeter.
Sir, 10.
10 centimeters. Correct answer. Okay, one more I will ask you and you all will give me your answers in the chat box. Give me your answers in the chat box. Don't speak the answers, okay?
Okay, sir.
One more, okay? So if the diameter of a circle is 30 centimeters, 30 centimeters, what is the length of radius? I've got only 2 answers till now. I'm waiting for others to answer. Diameter is 30 centimeters. What is the length of radius? Again, one more time, I'm telling you the question. The question is, if the diameter of a circle is 30 centimeters, 30 centimeters, what is the length of the radius of the circle? So I've got 3 answers now. Only 3? Why the others are not giving the answer? Have you not understood?
Sir, I have given. Sir,
Yes,
I have
three
given.
of you have given.
Sir, I have also given.
So the ones who have given the answers are Bhakti, Aswa and Bharat. Very good, all of you. The answer is 15 centimeters. The length of the radius will be 15 centimeters. So how we have done it? Look at this. I have given you that the diameter is 10 centimeters, sorry, 30 centimeters. Diameter is 30 centimeters So radius will be equal to 30 divided by 2. Half of diameter. Half का मतलब क्या होता है? You have to divide it by 2.
Yes, sir.
So radius is equal to 15 centimeters. Got it or not? Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So one more of the same type. I want an answer from you all now. Okay, be ready.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so if the diameter of a circle is 24 centimeters, what is the radius? Diameter is 24 centimeters. Tell me the radius. Write your answer in the chat box. Write your answer in the chat box. Abhiyan knows the answer. He is raising his hand. Beta Abhiyan, can you write your answer in the chat box? Okay, he has written. Good. The diameter is 24 centimeters. What is the radius? Aswa, are you giving the answer? What about Pratishtha, Hamza, Narayani, Shivam Patel? Why these students are not giving the answers? Atulya Sharma, give the answers. So the students who have given the answers are, and the answers are correct. Very good. The answer is 12 centimeters. Half of 24 is equal to 12. And those who have given the answers are Bhakti, Abhiyan, Bharat, and Aspa. Very good. Excellent. So 12 centimeters is the answer. 24 is the diameter. So half of 24 is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. So you all have understood what is the radius. Okay. If I ask you the opposite, can you tell me the answer? The radius of a circle is 9 centimeters. What is the diameter? The radius is 9 this time. I'm telling you that the
18
radius
centimeters.
is... Oh,
18.
very good. Excellent.
18.
All of you. Both of you, matlab.
Sir, simple. Sir, 9 plus 1
We have to
equals
multiply
10.
also.
9?
So 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now 8 are left, so it will be 18.
ये कैसे निकाला? Sorry, Aswa. ये कौन सा method? This is not correct. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. So half radius plus half radius. If you add, you get 18. Or you multiply
Yes, sir,
9
yes.
by 2. 9 multiplied by 2, that is also 18. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are two methods of finding it. If you add 9 plus 9, half of radius plus half of radius will
Sir,
be...
I added only. Sir, I added.
Okay. Acha, you added only.
I multiply.
You added with a different method. 9 plus 1 plus 8. Okay, so correct answer, 18 centimeters. So there are two methods of doing it. Either you add 9 and 9, you will get 18. Or the other method, which is the better one, you multiply 9 by 2. So 9 into 2 is again 18 centimeters. Okay. So if you double the radius, you will get the diameter. Can I say this? The diameter is double of the radius. Is my statement right or wrong? Diameter is double of the radius.
Yes, sir.
It is right.
So this is right.
Double का meaning
So
क्या
please
होता है?
give.
Double.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of double? Double of something.
Sir, 2. Sir, that is 2.
Multiplied by 2. Twice. Twice, double.
Yes, sir, twice.
Same thing. Double of something is that means multiplied by 2. Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius. Twice of radius.
Okay, sir.
Double of the radius. Got it? So this is another relation between diameter and radius. I will make you write down everything. Don't worry. Just now I am explaining everything. So next is chord. Abhiyan's favorite. Chord. Abhiyan, will you tell everyone what is a chord? You remember it?
The chord means a line segment crossing through the circle but which do not touch the center.
Okay. A chord is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. So this is the very good Abhiyan proper definition. बस एक चीज में correction की जरूरत है, that I will tell you. The chord is a line segment whose end points lie on the circle. So AB is a chord. You can see on the board, I have drawn a chord here. A is one of the end points of the line segment. Line segment to sabko malum hai. What is a line segment? It has two end points.
Yes, sir.
And what is a line? A line does not have any end points.
Yes, sir. So it goes on.
It can go on both the sides. You can produce as much as you want. Whereas in the case of a line segment, it has end points. यहाँ पर एक खत्म हो गई, यहाँ पर भी खत्म हो गई. Okay. So this is known as line segment. So AB is a line segment. First end point is A, which is on the circle. The first end point is also on the circle, and the second end point is also on the circle. So both the end points lie on the circle. This type of line segment is known as a chord. Understood what is a chord?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
this is the chord. Okay, I will draw
Excuse
another.
me, sir.
Yes.
The period is over.
Period is over. It gets over. Just a minute. Last thing. Let me finish chord. So this is the center of the circle. Is this a chord? Is this a
No,
chord?
sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why
This
not?
is not a chord.
Why not?
Sir, because it is between of the circle, and chord is not between.
So is it a diameter? Is it a
Yes,
diameter?
sir. It is a diameter. Yes, sir.
It is passing through the center. It is a diameter as well as a chord. It's a chord as well as a diameter. That means a diameter is also a type of chord.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The longest chord is known as the diameter.
The biggest chord.
Yes. It is the longest chord of the circle, and the longest chord of the circle is known as diameter of the circle. Got it? Okay, so that's it for today. We will be meeting on Monday, hopefully. Okay.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Sir, मुझे इस period में. Bye bye, sir. Thank you so much.